Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Facebook friends. We're back again with our Wednesday live stream today. We have Amy, our esthetician, and our great staff member, Tanya, that has volunteered to do a wonderful IPL today.
Hi, Tanya.
Hi.
We have her laying here very comfortable. We've prepared. Amy's going to be doing a live treatment today for our
Limelight IPL laser treatment. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. And that treatment is an extraordinary treatment for broken capillaries, redness to the skin, any kind of sun damage and brown spots that we're trying to get rid of. It also helps retexturize the skin, minimizing pores, and activating that collagen repair. Okay.
And Tanya's a great candidate. As you can see, I hope with our live stream you can see some of her coloring, some of her redness. She's covering her eyes right now before she does the treatment. But we have lots of redness in her skin tone, so that's what we want to take care of.
Amy, is this rosacea that she has, or what is that redness?
No, she just has that pink undertone. This is not rosacea. It doesn't necessarily flare up like rosacea does, but she does have that pinkness all over the skin. So, but rosacea can be treated, and the redness from rosacea can be minimized. With this treatment, we'll be concentrating on the redness of the skin and some of the minimal sun damage that she might have. So that's for red and browns, okay?
And for you to have a treatment on her, do you have to see her before you do a treatment, or can someone schedule a facial with you and have the treatment done the same day? Or
the best thing to do is to schedule a consultation. We'll go over any of your concerns, and once we find out what the concerns are, then that's when I kind of recommend what you might need. Some people do need an IPL lasers. We do have different treatments, chemical peels, and different treatments that can treat different kind of concerns. For Tanya, her concern is mainly this redness that doesn't go away. And so that's what we're going to be concentrating on. She has a few little sunspots here and there and this is her left side, so you can see them a little better on this side.
Great coloring right there, the brown spots. Do you see them?
Yes.
Nice.
And so we're also going to target those little things as well, those little spots.
Are those from sun damage, or
Yes.
is it just
Sun damage? It can be, some people have melasma, some people have that sun damage. She doesn't have a ton of sun damage because she doesn't really go out in the sun too much, but her driver's side, you can definitely see it. And then she does have this red or this kind of pink tone to her skin that she's really wanting to tone down.
What will be the downtime for her, Amy, today, since she is going back to work and she works at our front desk, so she greets our patients? Will she have any downtime?
She will go right back to work.
Awesome.
Absolutely. She can put makeup back on. There's no downtime. She will have a warm sensation, kind of like a sunburn. But there really is no downtime. Like I said, you can put your makeup back on and go right back to work. So you could get this done during lunchtime if you wanted to.
Is there anything that she has to do in preparation for this type of treatment? I mean, do you...
Depending on each person, there is, some people will have a lot of sun damage or even pigmentation that we'd want to treat and condition the skin first. For Tanya, we can go straight into treatment. She has not been in the sun. She doesn't have this vascular redness that she has here. The laser will help diffuse and minimize that redness for her. So in her case, she does not. But we definitely want to make sure to have a consult and customize your treatment plan.
But you do recommend no sun exposure before this treatment within a week or 2 days?
Exactly. You want to at least be out of the sun for 4 weeks prior to and after, of course.
What about if you use Retin-A? Can you use Retin-A before this treatment, or?
No Retin-A, no washes or exfoliation with salicylic or glycolic, any kind of acids. No chemical peels prior to the treatment. This is a laser, so the energy is a heat energy that's going through the skin. So you don't want to have compromised skin. You want it to be nice and thick and ready to be treated. So we're going to get started on our treatment. Let me have some goggles from that drawer.
And so for those just joining us, we're at the office of San Antonio Cosmetic Surgery. the offices of Dr. Delia Ortegon and Dr. Michael Baumholz, board certified plastic surgeon, and we're with our lovely clinical esthetician Amy performing an IPL laser treatment on Tanya, our front desk concierge, and of course we have our fabulous nurse injector Cynthia.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. So what I did today is I put these laser eye shields on her eyes to protect her her eyes, and then I am using a clear ultrasound gel. She does not need any kind of numbing or cooling.
That was going to be my next question. A lot of people ask, do you have to numb the skin or do anything? And so it's just a gel.
Well, the wonderful thing about our laser is that it has a very nice little crystal here that lights up, and this crystal gets ice cold. It gets really, really cold. And so what she's going to feel when I put this down is a really nice cooling sensation. We all have our goggles on, and so I'll start right here by her jawline, and with about 3 seconds she's going to get that cooling, and then with that flash of light she'll feel a warm little sensation of heat.
Okay.
And every 3 to 4 seconds it'll be a pulse.
Awesome. How are you feeling, Tanya?
Good.
Any pain, discomfort?
No.
And we've done this treatment before for Tanya, but it's been quite a while.
Yes, it's been at least 6 months. So, you know, Tanya has talked to me about wanting to be a little more consistent about getting her treatments, especially since it's cooler weather. This is the best time to get your treatments because you're not tempted to be out in the sun. You're kind of just running in and out from work to home. You get vacation time, all that good stuff. So this is the best time to get treated and take care of all that sun damage that you've gotten throughout the summer.
So we want to start treating everyone before spring break.
Yes.
So why don't you tell everyone, Amy, what specials we've got going with the IPL?
Awesome. Yeah, so what we're going to do for you guys today is we're going to put out a special. Normally 4 treatments. You want to get at least 3 to 4 treatments to make sure you get the maximum results. 4 treatments usually run about $1,500. If you mention our live stream today, you can get 4 for $1,000. That knocks off $100 per treatment, so that's a big deal.
Perfect. And
Fantastic.
as we always say, give us a call here at San Antonio Cosmetic Surgery. The offices of Dr. Michael Baumholz and Dr. Delia Ortegon, board certified plastic surgeons.
Yes.
210-614-4320. Like us on Facebook. We're getting all these questions asked by Jen, people popping in and asking. It's perfect timing with our live stream. As you can tell, this is a procedure that's done in our office, minimal downtime, no numbing cream, no preparation other than staying away from sun or any retin-A on the skin. Patient is tolerating the procedure well. Tanya is not shout at once. She's got that nice little smile still on her face. And we can tolerate this very well with our patients that like to do this on a lunchtime break, at the end of their day. Some people think, well, maybe I need a Friday, Saturday, Sunday to recover. Not really. During the week, Monday through Friday, we're here available to do this treatment.
So how soon will you see the results from it? And will one treatment give you some results?
Yes, that's a wonderful question. I really love that question because with one treatment, I can basically remove almost up to 50% of sun damage and pigmentation. And that first treatment's always the best treatment. So usually with Tanya, her main concern is redness. And so she will start seeing the redness kind of lighten up and her skin tone even out within a few hours, actually. With brown pigmentation, all that pigmentation will basically be pushed up to the surface, and that will fall off within a week. So usually I tell people, you have a lot of brown freckles, sun damage, even really light melasma that's been really stubborn. Sometimes I like to kind of use the laser to help bring that to the surface. It will get real nice and dark, and within 5 to 7 days, all that pigmentation will flake off like dust. It will not peel like a chemical peel. It will flake off. And so this little freckle she has here, it will get real nice and dark, and then within 7 days, they'll be gone. So
you will be a little flaky for a few days. Could be.
it kind of, when you have a lot of brown pigmentation, it looks kind of scabby. And then those slowly fall off. within the 7 days of treatment. So like I said, most people will just put a little bit of concealer on those little spots and go right back to work.
And will the spots reappear over time?
Well, sun damage is because we've exposed our skin to the sun, so the same spot won't come back up. But if you go and lay out in the pool or go and be at the beach, you know, you could have other spots reappear. What I usually tell people is if you take the time each year to get a few treatments, a series towards the cooler time of the year, you can really maintain beautiful, flawless skin. But you know, yes, if you go out in the sun, you can most definitely get another spot again.
So it's on how you care for your skin, whether or not they return.
Correct. And using the right skincare throughout the year is a key to maintaining your results for a long time. We do have a kit here. Miss Cynthia has that. We have a kit. It's called the Lightera Lightening and Brightening Treatment. It has your face wash. The face wash is a blend between a little bit of glycolic and salicylic, and that will help balance the pH in the skin and gently wash off all those dead skin cells. And the salicylic will help decongest pores and control oil. Then we have the Lightera in the middle. That there is our lightening serum, and that has a lot of natural ingredients. It doesn't have the hydroquinone in it. That is a very strong chemical. Our Lightera is a very gentle serum that you can use day and night through the summer or the winter, regardless of how much pigmentation you have or not. It will definitely help rejuvenate and maintain the results from your IPL treatment. And we do have retinol. I do teach everyone how to use that properly according to each person's skin type and concerns that they have, and their lifestyle. So that is very important information that we customize for each patient.
Right.
And we also have our medical grade sunscreen.
So I was just
That-
going to say that would be perfect timing then to chime in with a great sunscreen.
Yes.
Whether it's winter, spring, summer, fall, sunscreen is a staple and something that should be used every day.
Yes, ma'am. That's your youth serum right there. Once we get your skin where you want it, you want to protect your investment and maintain those results. And so using good skincare is just as essential as, you know, taking your supplements when you're working out.
And again, that is the Skin Medica Lightera kit that comes with those 3 products. Of course, we also recommend our sunscreen combined with that, which we are running a promotion on, as well as the IPL package.
Yes.
And you can, for those of you who are familiar with Brilliant Distinctions, we do honor your Brilliant Distinction points here, we do everything for you. Mm-hmm. And if you don't have a Brilliant Distinctions account, which is also from the Allergan family, we can create one for you and manage it for you here in our office.
Yes, and those are points that you accumulate every time you buy any kind of skincare, Botox, filler treatments, the treatments that Miss Cynthia does. So every dollar that you spend here, you accumulate points, and then you get discounts in your future treatments. So it's
that's awesome. And it's similar to like those CVS cards or those Walgreens cards that you get at the stores that they're doing all around town.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It comes with a sunscreen, right?
Oh, and Cynthia says
Yes,
we're...
this
Wow.
does have a travel size
Oh,
sunscreen
perfect.
in there, but you do want to buy the full size. That travel size is a perfect size to throw in your purse.
Just wanted to point that out.
Yes.
And what is the?
That's normally $225. It's about, turns out to be about $240 with taxes, but we're giving 20% discount if you come and get your IPL package. Today, we most definitely will grant that 20% off on that kit.
That's great.
How are you doing, Miss Tanya?
Good.
So you see she's a little pink right now because of the warmth of the laser. Another thing that I'd like to mention is that warmth of the laser, as I'm going and warming up this whole area, that bulk heating activates that long-term collagen repair. So that collagen will be tightening up and firming up that skin 3 to 6 months out, even after your treatment. So you're getting a full rejuvenation, not only getting rid of that little sun damage that you got, minimizing that redness, tightening up the pores, activating collagen. It's a full rejuvenation treatment.
That's awesome. And we were treating Tanya today for the redness of her skin, but this also works for acne scars,
Yes.
good skin texture, shrinking of the pores, any dark brown spots or red spots. Tanya's main concern again was her redness in her face.
Yes, she has this little flush look all the time, and that's one thing that she's trying to minimize.
She's very vascular, so it does
Yes.
help with that as well. This evens out the skin. Of course, Tanya uses also all our Skin Medica products, because anything when it comes to your skin, it's a compilation of treatments that helps your skin stay youthful and smooth. Washing your makeup off every day, putting sunscreen on, of course, the fabulous Botox and the injectables that Cynthia does, which are
Still our Juvederm, Voluma, Volbella, right here. Everything that we do here for the office. Kybella, perfect timing still again. We've got a few spots available still with our inventory from our sale that we had at the end of the year. So we're
$200 off.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. We're
still
gonna
going,
just honor
still
her.
going while supplies last. You can
Yes,
schedule an
please.
appointment, a complimentary consultation with Amy or Cynthia.
Yes.
Again, we are featuring our IPL Facial.
How are you doing, Tanya?
Good.
We're almost done. So I don't know what time it is, but it usually takes about 30 minutes. So you could get in, get your treatment done.
Go have lunch and go back to work. Definitely. Something that works well. We started probably right at 12. It's 12:20, so she's done really well. This
So
is
all we
something
have is
that-
her nose and her forehead here.
Definitely. You did really well. Again, San Antonio Cosmetic Surgery with Dr. Michael Baumholtz and Daniel Ortegon, board certified plastic surgeons. You can give us a call here at 210-614-4320 for any questions, consultations with Amy or myself regarding our spa.
Are free of charge.
Are free of charge.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also perfect timing to start getting ready for our spring break. Everyone that's getting ready to go on a little vacation, breast augmentation, tummy tucks, liposuction, perfect timing. Come in and see our doctors. Come in, our consultations, you'll see with them, talk to them, plan ahead, plastic surgery, anything that we can help you prepare for that nice little, now we're gonna get off our winter, we're gonna go into our spring break.
Speaking of plastic surgery, we will be featuring next week.
Yes. We're going to be featuring next week a consultation for rhinoplasty. He's going to go over the actual consultation, what he looks forward in a patient, what we can expect, what different types of rhinoplasties are done, minimal, more of a concentrated, time-consuming rhinoplasty, downtime, all the things that you can prepare. Again, Dr. Michael Baumholtz will be doing a live consultation on the rhinoplasty for you. This has been by popular demand. Patients call in and ask questions about it, always want to know. So we've got him tied down to sit down with us and go over this procedure with us.
So if you're a candidate for the new year and a new nose, definitely give us a call. Schedule your consultation with Dr. Michael Baumholtz. We're happy to see you and get you in at your convenience.
210-614-4320. Please share and like our page. Any comments or questions you have, please chime in. Please chime in. I'd be happy to answer any questions.
Or any other services that we offer that you'd like to see on live stream. We're always open for suggestions. Again, we do honor the brilliant distinctions here at our practice for all the Allergan products, which we just displayed over there, the filler and the skincare products. We are a diamond partner with Allergan.
That is a big deal.
That is a big deal. How's it going, Tanya?
Good.
You're a superstar.
No, she's done great.
Yes, she is. And I've been wanting to treat her, and she's been wanting to get treated, and here we are.
And your skin and your appearance is just like working out. You know, you got to watch what you eat and your diet and get to the gym and a little bit of exercise. Well, to maintain your skin, we recommend the skincare products and some spa treatments, facials, and maybe some Botox.
I do from laser hair removal, skin rejuvenation, spider vein treatments. We do cool sculpting here as well. So there's so many different options of treatments that you can have, from facials to chemical peels. We treat a little bit of everything. One-stop shop.
All right,
One-stop shop. I got a question. They wanted to know again how much the Lytera kit was that included the cleanser, the retinol, and the Lytera Skin Lightening Kit with the trial size sunscreen.
It is $225 with 20% off when you mention our live stream today, or when you get your series of IPL treatments.
And,
It's a great product.
and we do honor the Brilliant Distinction points. Don't forget, those are points that you accumulate to get dollars off your next treatment or purchase with Allergan.
So if you've been with us and you've gotten Botox with Cynthia, or you've bought some products from me, and you already have some points, racked up, and you have a discount there, plus our 20%, you get all that. So you can really get some good deals here.
And of course, you get to visit with our lovely esthetician, Amy and Cynthia. Now, they are offering complimentary consultations for the skin. We do take a picture of you so we are able to see your progression as you come in for your treatments. Again, Amy, how far between do you see the treatments happening, occurring?
Your IPL treatments, you want to get them once a month. That way you let the skin repair. It takes about 28 days for that cell repair, and then you do it again. Depending on what the concern the patient might have, if she has just a little bit of vascular redness, so that's what we're working on. So I will see her once every 4 weeks, at least 3 to 4 times till we get the results that she wants. But if you have a lot of brown pigmentation, we would probably alternate your IPL treatments with a chemical peel. And that way you get fast results and you get that nice dermal repair.
So stay tuned. We'll be putting some pictures up of Tanya to show you her before and after, her progression of before her first IPL to her last series. And again, the IPL is used for acne scars, rosacea, redness, vascularity, to shrink pores, to smooth out texture.
Yes. Brown spots and any kind of sun damage that you might have, you'd be really surprised to see how fast those results happen. So open your eyes, Sleeping Beauty. How do you feel?
Good.
Do you feel good? Does your skin feel a little warm? Do you have any kind of tingling sensation? Discomfort of any sort?
Nope.
And
Nothing.
her instructions after?
So she's going to gently wash her face with lukewarm water just for tonight. Usually by tomorrow morning, her skin will not be sensitive at all. You want to use your Lytera and your sunscreen, and you should be good.
And that's what she'll do in the evening.
Yes, for tonight. And in the morning, you'll wash your face with your Aha Baha wash. You'll use your Lytera, and then you'll use a little dab of Rejuvenate. And you'll put that all over every night. In the morning is your wash, your Lytera, and your sunscreen.
And of course, as she leaves here, we do apply some sunscreen for
Yes.
our patients.
Yes.
And Amy does her little pampering afterwards. Okay, stay tuned for next week. We're doing the rhinoplasty consultation with Dr. Michael Baumholz, and we will be posting some pictures of some of our other features that we did last week and the week before.
Yes, we had patients ask about our Robella under the eyes. We've got some pictures of after. We'll see some of the veins we did also. That people
Yeah.
wanted to see. It
Oh,
was
those
really
veins
great.
are
Yes,
amazing
so-
with Monica.
Definitely. So if you have any questions, please feel free to call us 210-614-4320. Again, Amy or myself or anybody here at San Antonio Cosmetic Surgery will be able to answer any questions for you. Open for any suggestions also for new treatments you want to see that we
Yes,
can help you
definitely.
with. Definitely. We get a lot of calls asking for fillers.
Help us out.
Yeah,
Sometimes we're like, I don't know what to put. It'd be wonderful to get your input.
Well, we have
Education
so
is
many,
key.
we offer so many services, it's hard to
Definitely.
pick. We do pick what's the most popular that the patients are
Exactly.
requesting. Again, complimentary consultations with Cynthia and Amy anytime, and Cynthia's still running her special
Yes,
with
I
what
am.
supplies she has left, so try to get in if you haven't made that phone call yet. Our phone number is
210-614-4320.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great week.
See you next Wednesday.
bye.